Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to play classic PS2 games on my iPhone using an emulator called Ether SX2. And the best part? No jailbreak required. This powerful app brings your favorite PlayStation 2 titles straight to iOS. I'll guide you through the full setup step by step so you can get started in just a few minutes. It's completely safe, simple to use, and works flawlessly. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any key details. Let's jump right in. Before we jump into the download, let's quickly go over a couple of settings to ensure everything runs as expected. First, open your device's settings, tap on General, then scroll to Background App Refresh, and make sure it's enabled, either on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. This helps the app function properly in the background. Next, go back and tap on Battery and confirm that low power mode is turned off. That feature can interfere with app performance, so it's important it stays disabled. Once these quick checks are done, you're good to go. With that out of the way, let's move on to the actual download. Launch your browser and go to titanmods.com. It's a trusted site offering various optimized and modified tools. Use the search bar at the top to find Ether SX2 and select it from the available results. You'll land on a dedicated page with detailed info, stats, and user feedback. Hit the Download Now button to start the download process. The download typically takes just a few seconds. If it's your first time visiting the site, you'll need to complete a brief verification step. It's fast, easy, and doesn't cost anything. You'll be redirected to a short guide asking you to install a couple of free apps from the App Store or Google Play. Just follow the instructions shown on screen. Once the verification is successful, the app will begin installing automatically. For me, everything went smoothly, and as you can see, everything is now fully installed and running smoothly. That's all there is to it. If this guide proved helpful and everything works flawlessly, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.